Assalamualaikum my lovelies, how's everybody doing today? I hope that you're all doing very well. मैं बहुत तेज बातें कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे already पता है that this is going to be a long video, but there's a lot that I have to say. Guys, before I start my review, let me just tell you, I have admired Nadia Hussain since I was a school-going girl. I would say I've admired her way before she became a makeup artist or before she launched her own makeup brand. So I might have a bit of a soft spot for the brand, but the review that I share is going to be strictly regarding the performance of the product itself, and any criticism which I may extend towards the product will not be aimed towards Nadia herself. It will be aimed towards the product, which does not necessarily mean that it's a bad product. I think we all need to understand some products work for some people and the same product sometimes don't work for other people. If that makes sense. And I will be mentioning time posts or time stamps for every category in the video in the description down below. So if you're not willing to watch through all of it, because God knows we are going to dissect this product today, but if you're not willing to do that, that's totally fine. नीचे जाएं, जाके category देखें, category का time जो time stamp आ रहा है उसके ऊपर click करें, YouTube आपको वहीं पे ले जाएगी. And otherwise, if you want to watch all of it, then more power to you, girl! I absolutely love you already. First things first, what is the product that we're talking about? The product is Bling by Nadia Hussein's Go Makeup Palette. Now it's a face palette. Basically, it's a face palette, but it promises to do more than just your face alone. Basically, what happens is that there's a big, beautiful mirror, and there are two concealer shades. जो कि डिफरेंट शेड्स हैं. आप इसको एज करेक्टर और इसको एज फाउंडेशन इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, या आप इन दोनों को मिक्स करके अपने शेड्स मैचअप कर सकते हैं. मैंने दोनों चीज़ें करके देखी हैं एंड इट वर्क्स फाइन. मोर ऑन दैट ऑब्वियसली अब जैसे जैसे हम रिव्यू शेयर करेंगे. एंड देन देयर आर टू लिप एंड चीक शेड्स जो कि आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरे ऑलरेडी काफ़ी यूज़ भी हो गए हैं और थोड़े से मिस यूज़ भी हो गए हैं, बिकॉज एट वन पॉइंट टुडे मैंने इन दोनों शेड्स को मिक्स किया तो मेरा ये वाला हाफ ज़रा सा गंदा है. बट आई डोंट माइंड दैट बिकॉज दिस वे आई कैन यूज़ 3 shades, this and when I mix them both together तो 3 हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. These are all cream products, and then there's another part of the palette. So this is the bottom part of the palette. My brush has gone missing. It's already grown legs and ended up in Naya's room. Naya और अशर लड़ रहे थे कि दोनों में से किसको मिलेगा, because they know that I don't use those brushes. I never do. I don't think they perform well. In my personal opinion, powder puffs फिर भी ठीक रहते हैं. Actually काफ़ी useful होते हैं, especially in a palette like this. But वो flimsy वाले छोटे brushes I don't like. So that's out for me. This is a cream contour shade. You will see me applying this. This is a powder bronzer or crease color. Nadia ने इसको as a crease color market किया है. You can see it in my crease right now. With a little bit of a dusting of this shade actually right now. Then I wore this palette. I wore this in my crease and I liked it. आज मैंने इसको ऑन इट्स ओन लगाया तो ज़रा मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. कल मैंने नीचे लिप एंड चीक जो टिंट है, विच शी डज नॉट मार्केट इट एज, बट मेरा फर्म बिलीफ है कि ऐसे जो फेस पैलेट्स होते हैं, जनरली वी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर मी आर मल्टी यूज एंड आई डू लाइक टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद देम. आई पुट वन ऑफ दीज ऑन माई लिप्स yesterday and then tried to blend in the powder, which was not the best idea, I understand. तब मुझे ज़रा सा तंग किया था क्रीज शेड ने, बट आज इट ब्लेंडेड फाइन. ये दोनों जो शेड्स हैं इनको आप आई शेड की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और इनको आप एज हाइलाइटर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नादिया ने इसको आईलिड शेड मार्केट किया है और इसको एज हाइलाइटर मार्केट किया है. द हाइलाइटर इज एक्सट्रीमली पिगमेंटेड, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, एंड द आईलिड शेड नॉट दैट मच, लेकिन आपको वो शिमर अच्छी सी एक shimmer more than color I will say, but slight color भी दे देता है. The highlighter, if you like your highlighters very loud stripy वाले, this is that. I personally am not the biggest fan of those kind of highlight. When I did apply the highlighter, I was able to blend it in then for a more natural finish, for a more glimmery finish. Glimmery shimmery है, but it wasn't a stripe after I blended it, so that's good too. अब तक इफ यू नोटिस ज़्यादातर बातें मैं अच्छी ही कर रही हूँ. That's the cruelty free bunny at the end of the palette. So you know that it is cruelty free. I also texted Nadia, not texted her, I also DM'd her on Instagram and her page Bling by Nadia Hussain to make sure that they were cruelty free, to which she responded and she told me that yes, no animal testing has taken place on this product and everything is 100% cruelty free, which is why you're watching this review in the first. अब हम बात करते हैं pricing की. So this product retails for 3,500 rupees. अब ये product आपको क्या क्या offer करता है? Foundation, concealer, blush के 2 shades by the way, contour, cream contour, pressed powder, crease shade, lid shade, highlighter. Guys, it's 8 products in one. यहाँ पे आपको 3 ब्लशेस का पैलेट 2500 से कम का नहीं मिलता अगर आप मिलानी देखें या इस तरह से देखें, ठीक है ना? So I know that the price is not cheap, but it is a multitasking product. It effectively is a product that you can use almost for your entire face. Spare. If you like it for the lips, then great. Lips. मैं lips इसलिए count नहीं करी because I did not enjoy it for the lips. But yes, honestly, even lips. To be completely fair, it's 10 products in. It's 9 products in one. ठीक है ना? तो इसलिए lip भी. Eyebrows के लिए कोई इंतजाम नहीं है. I could have tried the crease shade for my eyebrows, but I don't think it's a good match, and I did not want to risk that. However, I will try that, and I will keep you posted, inshallah. ठीक? So I think personally for me the price is good. ठीक? अगली बात हम करते हैं packaging की. The packaging is very very cute. I love the holographic theme. I will say, however, this reminds me a lot of Jaclyn Hill की packaging. अब वो कौन सी packaging है exactly मुझे याद नहीं, but I'll put a picture up here. It's the same color scheme. It's very reminiscent of it. So despite the fact that it's very cute, it does remind me of that. But still, उसके अलावा if you were to forego that, and that point aside, it's compact. It has a mirror. It has so many things. I mean, there's a lot of products that have been fit into this compact very efficiently without wasting a lot of space, without adding any plastics. It's environmentally friendly, it's compact, it's cute, it's sturdy. I have thrown this in my bag for 2 days now and I think it's going to be found there pretty regularly. So yeah, the packaging is thumbs up for me. Placement का ये है कि ये आपको ऑनलाइन मिलेगा. मैंने ऑनलाइन ही ऑर्डर प्लेस किया और मुझे एक आध दिन में पहुंच गया था, बड़ा अच्छे से पैक होके, बड़ा नाइसली पैक होके, सिक्योरली पैक होके. So we'll go into the palette now. The primers add to the performance of the foundation. So to give it a fair chance and to compare this palette against my usual makeup, I should not move the rest of the things around. So I'll go in with the darker concealer first, ये वाला, as a corrector, and we'll see what it does. Obviously गर्मी बहुत है तो ज़रा सा जो तेल है वो उठाया है कंसीलर का, for a lack of a better way to say it. So I'm just going to mix it in the palette. उससे मेरे हाथ पे तो ज़रा ज़्यादा लग जाएगा, but ज़रा मिक्स हो जाएगा ना, वरना तो तेल खाली लगाने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. So I'm mixing it in and then I'm going to actually going to take some on the back of my hand so that I don't end up putting on too much, and then I do have to work quick here because सारा हाथ पे ना रह जाए फिर. I normally also do my base with my hands, so this part I really don't mind in the palette, and if I theoretically do have everything in one place, that's not a bad deal for me. I'm going in with what I'm trying to keep as a very thin layer and just concealing and see if it's a good match for me, which as of now it seems like it is. As is, I go in with a slightly darker concealer, not darker than my skin tone, one that matches my skin tone, and this one seems to be matching me fine. And then I go on top with my illuminating concealer. What do we think? That's one concealer down. I'm not entirely sure if it's done anything, because honestly I usually wear my concealer, both of my concealers, on top of my foundation. Anyway, I'm going in with the lighter foundation now, or concealer, but I also have a feeling that it's very oily. More on that as we go on. And I'm also sweating. I don't think this is a, but yes, it is Pakistan and we do sweat. So मेरे स्टूडियो में एसी नहीं है फिलहाल. So this is how I would normally blend my foundation. I actually go in with both my hands because I don't have as much time as I pretend I do. It's just more easy for me. Chitty chuya nahi banaya is mujhe. I hate it when people wear foundation which is like 10 shades too light for them and then they end up looking like a aate ka chua. But for now it doesn't seem like it's doing that to me. But yes, it's definitely on the oilier side. I wouldn't even say glowy right now. I will say oily by what it looks like right now. And we'll see. So I do like to work my foundation really into the skin. I just realized इसके साथ उतना भी तो मिरर है, थोड़ी सी मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ just to see if it has buildable coverage. The good thing with cream concealers is with having two different kinds of cream concealer slash foundation slash color corrector is that you can mix and match. If you think it's too light for you, mix the other shade. If you think that's too dark for you, mix this one. If you think just one is fine for you, that's okay too. The disadvantage is it's heavier than liquid products. I usually use liquid foundations and liquid concealers, and I can already see that it looks pretty heavy on my skin. I think I can see it settling into my fine lines already. And that's what I was afraid of, by the way. I do want to try the contour, although I don't usually wear contour on a regular day. Bronzer, yes I do, और वो भी मेरा usually powder bronzer होता है. But like I said, I want to give it a fighting chance and see what all this palette is capable of. थोड़ा सा मैं साइड पे लगा रही हूँ. I'm not placing it too high and I'm not placing it too low. I'm not trying to change the shape of my face. Just trying to see how this. That blends easily. Blended in nicely. थोड़ा सा लिया मैंने. So I do the lifted blush look. I don't like dragging my blush midway on my face because I don't think it suits me. So that's why I'll keep the blush high up. But we do have to remember that this is not liquid makeup, it's cream makeup. So there is a chance that it will be oilier than liquid makeup. I'm just building it up a little bit. क्योंकि पहले वाले में मुझे लगा कि जैसे पिगमेंट आया और मैंने ज़रा सा ब्लेंड किया तो वो गायब हो गया. Now I know that this is not the way that this makeup is designed. This product is designed. I'm changing up the uses of it. But that's what we do with makeup, right? We don't always follow the rules. That's what makes it so much fun. I'm just adding a little bit of blush क्योंकि मुझे ऑनेस्टली लेंस में मुझे लग रहा था कैमरा इज नॉट पिकिंग अप एट ऑल. रियल लाइफ में आई कैन सी अ नाइस फ्लश कलर. आई शो यू डिफरेंट लाइटिंग ऑब्वियसली एज आई एम लाइकिंग इट सो फार. मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे जनरली क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे बहुत लगते हैं और लॉन्जेविटी भी ज़्यादा होती है. एंड वही बात जो कि नादिया भी कर रही हैं इसके साथ प्रमोट, दैट इज़ दैट यू कैन डू इट ऑन द गो एंड इट्स यूजुअली क्विकर एज वेल. I don't like it on the lips, guys. It's making the lips look patchier than they are. I did not realize my lips are chapped till I put this on. She needs powder, she does. Bismillah. So I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the crease shape, the excess. Oh wow! I did not expect so much pigment. That really, okay. I did not expect that. थोड़ा उठाया मैंने दूसरी दफ़ा बिकॉज मैं वाकई तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी. आई थिंक द टैपिंग मोशन इज़ बेटर बिफोर यू स्वाइप विद दिस बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग अ फीलिंग कि जहाँ मैं ब्रश रखती हूँ वहाँ ज़्यादा डिपॉजिट हो जाता है एंड इट्स नॉट ब्लेंडिंग आउट दैट नाइसली. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक सम ऑन द टिप ऑफ माई ब्रश. दिस इज़ अ पॉइंटेड ब्रश. आई टेक सम ऑफ द टिप ऑफ माई ब्रश. आई टैप ऑफ द excess. Then I'll go in with my tip first, with the tip of the brush first to deposit the color, and after I've done that then I will go ahead and swipe. Better? Yes? No? One thing's for sure, you don't want to go in with a lot because जहाँ पे deposit हो गया वहाँ से अभी बज नहीं हो रहा. It's better than before. इस आंख पे it's clearly more blended than this because इस पे मैंने pat करके spread किया. इस पे I just went in with it and then you know. Okay, in the spirit of being completely honest and truthful, I will point out here that I used cream blush as a base for my eyes, which is not how this palette is designed to be. So this mistake could have been my own. ये आप देखेंगे डे नंबर 2 पे नहीं आएगी. What do you think? Shimmery है बहुत. Pearly है in fact. It's a pearly shade. It's not even just shimmer. It's pearlescent. I mean, the name of the brand is Bling. Can you really blame her? If a brand that has that for a name does not come out with blingy products, you'd be disappointed, wouldn't you? It does not feel as heavy as I thought it would, as heavy as it was feeling initially, which is why obviously I set it with the powder. I'm going to try the highlighter, although I won't lie, I'm a bit scared. It looks very highlighty. Bismillah. Woo! Yeah, that's a swipe for sure. That's a stripe for sure. Hanji, so card check number 1. This is actually almost right after I did my makeup. Makeup किया, उसके बाद नमाज पढ़ी, and then we're heading out just now. So it's probably been, I would say, an hour or so since I'm wearing the makeup, and this is what it looks like, all natural daylight, all up close and personal in my face. Okay, so it's time for check-in number 2, attempt number 2 at check-in number 2 actually. Can you see? I'm a glasses wearer, sunglasses भी लगाती हूँ, regular glasses भी, तो वो लेकिन ये मेरी foundation invariably करती है. Look under my eyes.
Look at me.
And look at my gorgeous baby girl. Backy, you can see the foundation is holding up nicely. The blush on, I think, is all but vanished. I think I can still see the contour for sure. The lipstick's still there despite having eaten and despite wearing a mask. The eye makeup is in place. So yeah, that's my update. You can see that I'm very shiny. I haven't powdered this yet. I'm especially shiny around this area. जो टी जोन है बेसिकली, जो मेरा एज इज हो जाता होता है. I won't say it's breaking apart per se, but it's very oily for sure. The powder I like. मैं पहले भी मुझे बिल्कुल मैट कर दिया था. So this is the first time I'm touching up with powder. बीच में एक दफ़ा मैंने कंसीलर रीडू किया था. Right after lunch. इस lighting में I don't know what the concealer looks like, लेकिन मेरे washroom lighting में I could tell that the concealer is not covering up. इसमें ironically it looks okay, but in real life I could use quite a lot of help with in the concealer department. But खैर, एक और बात जो अच्छी है इसमें वो ये है कि the powder has some pigment, which is usually not the case for the powders that I use. I do want to touch up the blush and see what happens if I add a little bit midday. Usually जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ cream blushes, उस पर मुझे टच अप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, लेकिन इस केस में मुझे लग रहा है कि a little, I think I'll do it इसी तरह से. A little bit of a touch up will not hurt. So this is what it looks like. Fridge is like, no ma'am, this is my place. I'm not budging. Thank you so much for joining on this first impression and a full day wear test for the Go Makeup Palette by Bling by Nadia Hussain. अगली वीडियो में मैं इसका फुल डेप्थ रिव्यू, अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, फाइनल वर्डिक्ट आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ और आपको 2 और तरीके बताऊंगी जिसमें आप ये पैलेट यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसलिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और इस वीडियो के एंड पे आपको जो लिंक मिलता है उसको क्लिक कीजिएगा. यू कैन फाइंड दैट लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द एंड स्क्रीन. क्लिक इट so you can watch the rest of the video, part 2 of it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care of yourself and the people around you. Allah Hafiz. God bless you.